The court heard that senior officials in PNU party and the government had conspired way before the Waki Commission had started its investigations to implicate the deputy president for the violence in the North Rift, whether or not he was involved.
And they wanted to blame Mr. Ruto, madam, regardless of the truth. I'm right, aren't I?
Yes.
And what they wanted, madam, was to say William Ruto was responsible for that post-election violence in North Rift Valley, even though he had nothing to do with it. I'm right, aren't I?
Yes.
The defense named 8 people alleged to have been working to further this cause, collecting evidence on the post-election violence that they supposedly presented to the Waki Commission.
Are you aware that there was a group of individuals comprising Mr. Stephen Tarus, Martha Karua, Mutea Iringo, Nancy Gitau, Stephen Mugwira, Abraham Lemo, William Rono, and Bethwell Ruto that were working together to identify witnesses and collect information to present to the Waki? Are you aware of that?
No.
The court also heard that before the Waki commissioners sat down to hear Mata's violence, a group of lawyers had come to Eldoret days earlier to take statements from witnesses.
Am I right, madam, that amongst these lawyers were Mr. Kamodo Waiganjo?
Can't recall him.
Another lawyer that came, madam, was Jenga Mwangi. Am I right?
Still, I can't recall him.
The witness said she had no information that some of the witnesses who testified in the Waki Commission had been put under witness protection under the Ministry of Internal Security, and that then Internal Security Permanent Secretary Mutea Iringo and then Director of Political Affairs in the Office of the President Nancy Gitau paid for their upkeep.
Did you hear that?
No.
The court heard that PNU blamed ODM for the violence. The witness told the court of an instance where the deputy president was received harshly by IDPs, booed even, at the Eldoret showground where he'd gone to visit. The witness also during cross-examination told the court of an instance where Mr. Ruto was attacked by PNU supporters in Kisii, where he'd gone for a fundraiser at the instigation of then Cabinet Secretary Simeon Nyachai. The prosecution is currently cross-examining the 4th witness, witness 376, who is expected to give a background of the Kalenjin and Kikuyu rift in the valley. Sheila Sindeo, NTV.